experience.
Wow!
Enjoy man. 10:30 pa kami yan.
Mas masarap compared sa Manggana, Zambales.
Yes, salamat po!
Yes. Thank you.
Yes!
Ayun. And also we have here friends from Alino. So, ma'am, mga luwas ka mga ina ng pila pa? Alauna sa kaga. Grabe, pila na sila para lang nakamigo-higo.
Oh, wow! Grabe! Gina! Mga ato nga mga neighbors from the province of Iloilo. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, no?
Yes, at yan, from where kita ma? From Iloilo City. Sa Iloilo?
Takas Haro.
Takas Haro. Of course, we are here from the city of Iloilo City.
May time sa Miss 10:30.
So, thank you so much for joining us.
10:30 to 11.
Festival in the country.
Yes. So time check, it's 9:12, no? So may pinapakita kami minutes remaining for our first batch of Minute All Weekend.
We are third batch, guys. Third batch. The first batch is not yet done. Cocomelon. Province of Guimaras.